today's video, I will give strawberry to my budgies. I know something in your mind, you're asking about, can budgies eat strawberries? That's right! These tasty little fruits are actually good for the birds. Strawberries are a good source of vitamin C, which is important for birds' overall health. Strawberries can be a tasty and nutritious treat for budgies when offered in moderation. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can contribute to your budgies' overall health. However, it is essential to prepare strawberries properly for your bird. Wash them thoroughly to remove any pesticides or contaminants and then slice them into small manageable pieces. While some budgies may enjoy strawberries, others may not be interested or may have preferences for other fruits. Introduce strawberries gradually into your budgies' diet to monitor for any adverse reaction, and always offer a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables to ensure a balanced diet. Remember not to overdo it with treats, including strawberries, as they should only make up a small part of your budgies' diet. Too many treats can lead to nutritional imbalance and health issues. Always consult with a veterinarian or avian specialist for a specific dietary recommendation tailored to your budgies' needs. Thank you so much!